some people, when they're working from home, they run out and do errands or put some laundry in. For me, this is what I do on my lunch break. And I'm just going to head back home. So come on with me. Let's go for a ride. Hang on. Ready? Let's go. Gonna run into my husband on the way. He's coming. I'm going. Just did a little bit of brush work. I gotta go back to my home office, so. Oh, hang on. Joyride. Oh, we just built this new little. Woo! Nice. 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 All right, let's go. Yeah. Hey, Robin. Beep, beep. Look at all the green. Yeah! Woo! Let's go. Well, back to the office. Thanks for hanging out with me. Woo! Time to work.